Welcome to the Fusion CAM tutorial video series. This is Activity 2. In Activity 2, we will open the base model in Fusion and prep the model for CAM. The first thing we want to do is bring in our base model file or the model that you have created. Go up to the upper left corner and select the grid of boxes, which is the data panel. This will open all the files that you have available to you in Fusion. First, we'll create a new project. Don't click into the field. Just type in F1-CAM-lesson. Select Enter, and the new project is created. Click on the little triangle icon here and the Upload icon. And we want to select our base file to work with. Your instructor should have given you the path to find this file, f1camcar.f3d. Click on it, open it, select Upload, and the file will be uploaded from the computer into the cloud, where you'll have access to it on any Fusion machine you're logged into. This may take a minute as it is uploading from the machine to the cloud. We are now complete. Close this dialog box. We now see that our F1 CAM car is available in our project file. Click on it, and it will be loaded onto the main screen. Now we can dismiss our data panel so we have a nice big view of our car. The first thing that we'll want to do is prepare it for toolpaths. Well, since the rear wing, front wing, and the nose are being 3D printed, we don't need those, so we can turn those off. The way we do that is we go up here to the browser, click the expansion arrow, and we'll turn off the first body, the second, and the third body. Thus, one body remains, so there's no way we can be confused about what we're going to cut with the CNC machine. The last thing we need to do in this lesson is save the file with a unique name. Move up to the file folder icon, click on it, select Save As, and just add your initials or create a new name. Select Save. Now if we open the browser, we can see that we have two files in the folder. Our first base file and the new file with the unique name. This concludes the video for Activity 2.